Alright, history buffs, let's dive into the ancient world of Egyptian mummification. Imagine stepping inside the Grand Pyramids where the process of preparing a body for the afterlife was both a science and an art. First, the body was washed with palm wine and Nile water. This wasn't just for cleanliness but to purify the spirit. Next came the removal of internal organs, but the heart stayed put. The Egyptians believed it was the seat of the soul. Organs were stored in canopic jars, each protected by a different god. Then, the brain was extracted. Believe it or not, they did this through the nose using special hooks. The brain wasn't considered important for the afterlife, so it was discarded. Now, drying out the body was crucial. The body was covered in natron, a type of salt, for 40 days. This process dehydrated the body, preventing decay and preparing it for preservation. After drying out, the body was stuffed with linen, sawdust, or even onions to give it a human shape again. The skin was rubbed with oils and resins to keep it supple and fragrant. Wrapping the body was an art form. Hundreds of yards of linen were used, wrapping each finger and toe individually before the whole body. Amulets and charms were tucked within the layers to protect the deceased on their journey to the afterlife. Finally, the body was placed in a series of coffins, each more elaborately decorated, before being laid to rest in the tomb. The walls of the tomb were covered with spells and prayers to guide and protect the soul. So there you have it. From the first wash to the final wrap, mummification was a sacred, detailed process. It ensured that the deceased could enjoy the afterlife eternally. Stay curious and keep exploring the past. Until next time.